Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a blog to your website created using OfficeIQ Studio. So, this is the website I have created with OfficeIQ Studio. On the left side panel, click on the blog option. Here you can see all your blogs. You can view them in card view or table view. Under drafts, you will find blogs you are still working on. In published, you will see live blogs, and under deleted, you can find the removed ones. You can also search blogs by name from here. To create a new blog, click on create new blog. Let's say I want to write a blog on why a homestay is better than a hotel. I will add this as the heading, and in the content section, I will start writing the place you choose to stay can change your entire travel experience. Here you will see the AI writing assistant. Click on it to rephrase your content in different tones. I will choose a conversational tone and AI will rewrite the content for me. You can compare the original and AI previews side by side. If you like the suggestion, click the green tick to accept. If not, click the cross to reject it. You can also use AI to fix grammar, shorten, or expand your content. I will expand it. So, this is the AI version. I like this, so I will accept it. You can also rewrite your content using a prompt. Now, I will add a subheading. 3 impactful reasons to choose homestays. I will list 3 points: local hospitality, authentic food, and peaceful nature. For each point, I can use the AI writing assistant again to make the content better. Next, I will format my blog. I want to make this bold, italic, and underline, so I will make it from here. If you want to change the text colors, change it from here. You can highlight any sentence from here. If you want to add any link, add it from here. Use bullet points or number list. You can align your text left, right, or center. Now go to SEO. Here I will add the focus keywords, secondary keywords, the URL slug, and the meta description. Now I will go to the setting. I can add any feature image from here. You can upload directly from your device or choose free images from Unsplash. I already have a folder of homestay images, so I will select one and add it here. Also add the alt text and excerpt for better SEO. From here you can undo or redo changes, save your blog as draft, or preview the blog. Once everything looks good, click on publish. Your blog is now live. After publishing, you can manage your blogs, preview them, edit them, or delete them anytime. Finally, you can also decide how your blogs appear on the website. Go back to the home, click on blog styles. Here you can choose blog list style like compact list, classic list, and there are many more options. You can also select the blog detail style, standard, modern, minimal, etc. In blog settings, you can even customize your blog URLs before submitting. And that's it. That's how easily you can create, customize, and publish blogs on your website with OfficeIQ Studio.